So hi, I'm Tim Herman from the MSOE Center for BioMolecular Modeling, and in these series of videos I'm going to be talking about this year's Science Olympiad protein modeling event. As you probably already know, the theme for this year is base editing with the Cas9, with the CRISPR Cas9 protein. So here's a model of the Cas9 protein, and what you're going to be learning this year is how this Cas9 protein has been further modified by molecular biologists to be useful in something called base editing. So that's what you're going to learn this year. The resources that we have put on our website to allow you to begin to learn what base editing is and all the intricacies of this new method. That's what I'd like to kind of review for you in this first video. So one of the most important resources you're going to find on our website is a link to the HHMI Biointeractive CRISPR website. They have done just an outstanding job of creating, first of all, a molecular animation of how this protein finds a specific sequence of DNA in a genome, binds there, separates two strands, cuts the strands, and then just briefly it suggests how you can then modify the gene at the site of the cut, either to inactivate the gene or to actually integrate into that cut site a corrective copy of the gene. So there's a great molecular animation there that I'm sure you're going to enjoy. And then in the second part of that website, they have brought together a collection of short videos from people, researchers, who have all contributed something to this area of CRISPR, and in particular base editing. So there's a whole series of short videos. They include Jennifer Doudna, who's one of the US researchers who've made major contributions to this field. And there are also 3, maybe 4 short videos from David Liu at Harvard. And that's pertinent to this year because David is the person who is usually credited with having come up with this idea of base editing, how you can modify Cas9 to be useful in base editing. So that's a really great way to start to learn about what this year's theme is about. Can't improve on any of those resources, so we're not going to try to do that here. But what I am going to do is record a series of short videos that perhaps will provide some background information to the things you'll be reading about and these other videos that you'll be watching. So stay tuned for a whole series of these background videos, one of which will, I think, if I get around to it, will actually lead you through all the other links that you'll find on our website to other resources. Stay tuned.